this is my 7th video, and my son really wants to speak to his friend Felipe, who's in Brazil. We are in which part of the country are we in, Ayush?
India.
We are in India, that's right. But in India, where are we?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, that's right. And where does where is okay? You know, we are in these. This is an amazing city, and which is Ayush's favorite place to visit. Which place has Ayush really liked among all the places Ayush has been to?
Singapore.
You've not been to Singapore, no? But you'd want to travel to Singapore, you're saying? Okay, we can travel to Singapore. That's pretty doable.
Singapore is New York.
Oh, Singapore, New York. Ayush has been to New York, but no? How did you like New York? What do you remember of New York?
Daddy let us eating chocolate.
Oh, he remembers that. Yes, I mean, we were walking on the streets of New York. So, but yeah, it's a 1-minute video. So I'll catch you in my 8th video. Until then, thanks for watching, people. And please
subscribe for our channel.
Yeah.
Then you have to call Philippe.
Okay, thanks
What
for
a number.
watching. Thanks for watching.